For this video, I'm going to unbox S-Mini. So, one per member. Baliktad pala. Sugi first. And then Wendy. And then Troy. And then yun. So, lahat to is sealed pa. I tried to open one earlier, this one. Ito yung open ko na. And this one is actually Joy's photo card. Tin-open ko kanila. Ito siya. Tadan. So, ito yung pinakaunang na-open ko. And then, what's this? Oops. I'm so sorry. Wait lang. Yung standy ko. Ayan. And then, I'm gonna open the rest. I'm not sure if this batch has the same, like, yung other Irene, if also Joy din ba yung laman. So, let's see. I think mali yung pagka-close ko. And by the way, I'm gonna show what's inside because I never did this sa mga previous ko na na unboxing. So, ito yung loob niya. Parang mini CD lang rin siya. And then, you can place this here. And yung parang anik-anik. Anyway, so, this one is the first one. Ayan. Okay, so let's open the rest of this 5. So, for thumbnail, charot. Ayusin natin. Ayan. Okay. This unboxing. Okay, so I'll start with this one. Let's see if it's the same. So, earlier, I got Joy. Let's see who do we get this time. Kung Joy pa rin ba siya? Or iba na? Oh, iba na. It's different. This time, it's Yeri. Tadan! So, hopefully, matapos natin yung OT5. And then, okay. And then, let's open. Lagay ko dito. Ito yung kanina. Hopefully, we finish OT5. So, let's open Sugi's. This one is Sugi's. There. See? What do we get? Oops! I'm so sorry. Yung stand, di ko nauuga-uga. There. Oh, no. It's not stable. Okay. No, why? Why it can't stay sa place? I'm so sorry for that. Okay, anyway. So, this one is Sugi's version. So, guess who's the photo card? Gumagawa ko na sariling sound effect ko, no? It's Irene. Sureen. No! The standy keeps falling. I'm so sorry. Wait lang Sorry, wait lang po. There. Hopefully, it's okay na. So, this one is Irene's version. Tadan! I was actually expecting na kay Irene. Either kay Joy or Yeri nila ilalagay. I mean, like, I wasn't expecting na kay Irene yung makukuha ko. Anyways, so, let's return this first. Keychain pa pala. And then, let's open Wendy's. Wait, let me place it here. Sana matapos yung OT5. This one is Wendy. I'm actually planning to collect OT5. Hopefully, na matapos ko talaga yung OT5. If not, it's gonna be so hard kapag nashuffle sila. Ang hirap nilang hanapin. Guess who? I think it's Joy. Ay, hindi. Oh, it's new member. Ito yung baba niyo. Guess who? So, it's either Wendy or Sugi kasi actually hindi ko memorize yung cards nila. I haven't seen the preview. Huh? Oh, possible pala yung Wendy. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. I mean, I wasn't expecting na Wendy. Ta-da! Isang Sugi na lang and the OT5 will be completed. Yay! Actually, I think this is so random because the Get to Irene earlier has different yung laman niya. So, I still have one more Irene here pero sealed pa siya. I don't know if it's another iba pang card ulit or just the same. I don't know. Anyway, so for Wendy, I got Wendy card. So, I didn't expect that to happen. And then, let's open 2 more. There's 2 more chances to get OT5. Hopefully, I get OT5. Okay. I need 1 more Sugi. No, not 1 more Sugi. Hindi pala more kasi wala pa talaga totally. I need 1 Sugi. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. 2 more chances. Oh, I don't know what happened. Parang dumilim ah. Anyways. So, this one is Joy. And let's see kung sinong photo card to. Guess who? Guess. Unicorn niya pwede pala gawing photo card ulit, no? I mean, like, I can cut it out and then make it into photo card. I think I can do that. Since it's also card size. Oh, wow. I knew it. I mean, like, I was expecting it. Ito yung na-expect ko na one of the Joyery will have Irene. Kasi they usually pair it like that. I don't know why. So, this one is Irene's card. Ta-da! And then, last one. Hopefully, I get Sugi this time. Para matapos ko siya. So hard if nakipag-trade pa ako. So, this one is Joy's version. Okay. Last one. I hope I get Sugi this time. I'll get Sugi? I don't know. So this one, last one. This one is Aries version. Hopefully Sugi is inside. Hopefully. Oh. How come others doesn't have? What's this? This one is Yeri. I mean like the Chinese name. Korean name. I don't know bakit dito meron. Don't tell me baka yung photo card is also Yeri. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. I'm hoping it's Sugi. Pero, tingnan natin. Sirain. Actually, kasi ayoko ito masyado sirain kasi yung dikit niya nawawala. Oh. Let's see. Ako muna tingin. Oh, I knew it. Kasi may nakalagay na ano. So, I was expecting na PC niya. So, yeah. No, there's no Sugi. Sugi is missing. No, why? Hindi siya OT5. Sad. But anyways, I'm happy na one lang yung missing and hopefully I happen to get Sugi. Or should I open the one more should I open this Irene and see if it's Sugi or not? Huh? Oh. May name mo? So, ibig sabihin, Irene din yung loob niya? Ganun ba yun? Kasi kanina, Yeri may ganyan, tapos Yeri rin yung laman. Ito rin ba ganun yun? Pero ito kanina yung Wendy, wala naman siya dito nakasulat, pero Wendy rin yung laman. Weird ah. Joke, hindi naman siya weird. Ako lang nagpa-puzzle up. Nag-overthink masyado. Should I open it then? Should I? Is Yugi inside? I think it's also Irene, unless na nagkataon lang yung Yeri. Sige, let's see. Or is it Sugi inside? Sana Sugi para matapos ko na. Let's see. Oh no. Let's see. Is it Sugi inside? Sisilipin ko muna. Ako muna yung sisilip. Oh my gosh! Wow! I wasn't expecting it. I mean, you know. Sorry, wait lang. Kasi it's Irene and kanina Yeri, so I thought na Irene. But then oh! Natapos ko siya. Ay! Wait, sorry. Masyado na-excite. Ay, ang saya pala sa feeling kapag natapos na yung OT5. I mean, like, you know, I wasn't expecting at all. Ay, iba yung, katawa naman. Lagyan ng hair yung bear. Oops. This is so funny. May hair yung bear niya, oh. Ayan. So, natapos ko siya. Finally. Ayan. Yehey! Ano po problema? Hindi na makikipag-trade. It's done. It's all done. So, yeah. Yung ibang versions na lang. May tinatapos pa rin akong poster version and photo book. I don't know if mag-OT5 pa ba dun sa iba. Kasi parang, ang hirap pala sobra sa, hindi lang sa paghahanap, pati din sa paggastos pala. Anyway, so, ayun na nga. Natapos ko yung OT5 for this one. This one is a bit cheap kasi compared to other. Kasi since isang set lang. Unlike yung iba, kasi diba, kailangan dalawa pa. Like, 2 sets, 1 out of 10. Ang hirap sobra. At least ito, easier. Anyways, so yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye!